Maintaining the health and efficiency of your locomotive transformer is essential for smooth operation and reducing maintenance costs. However, moisture and other contaminants can take a toll on your transformer, reducing the lifespan and increasing downtime. Introducing the Silica Gel Breather for locomotive transformers used in Indian Railways, the ultimate solution for maintaining the health and efficiency of your transformer. Constructed with top-quality materials, the Silica Gel Breather is designed to withstand the harsh conditions typical of locomotive operation. The top and bottom are made of high-grade aluminium. At the same time, the Clearview polycarbonate body offers better clarity and is more resistant to impacts than the acrylic used by our competitors. All the hardware used in construction is made of stainless steel, providing additional corrosion resistance. The breather is easy to install, with a flange design that allows for easy access and maintenance. It is a must-have accessory for any locomotive transformer maintenance program and is an investment that will pay off in the long run. So, if you want to ensure the long-term health and efficiency of your locomotive transformer used in Indian Railways, order the Silica Gel Breather now and experience the benefits of clean and dry air in your transformer.